Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to try to reinforce this on our garage door. As you can see, there's quite a dip in it. And it should be about like that. So let's get after it. So what I'm thinking is I'll get a piece of wood to go in there and brace it. It's also busted right here. So we're gonna get that one too.
Did you know that a garage door is one of the heaviest moving objects in a house? And here what we're going to do is attach it using some self-tapping screws. Going to use several of these over the length of the board.
All right, let's check it out. It's not snagging on anything. It seems to at least stiffen it up a little bit. Let's go ahead and open it. Much better. This isn't pushed all down. Still not probably where it needs to be, but certainly better than it was.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, or comment. Have a great day.